Hello and welcome to our video tutorials series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add or remove website slots from your IP addresses. Log into our panel and navigate into your IP address group by clicking on the IP address menu item in the side menu. Now select the IP addresses that you want to modify. You can choose multiple IP addresses at a time. We will select 2 IP addresses for this example. Once you have chosen your IP addresses, click on the Modify button. A dialog box will open, where you can edit the website slots count of your IP addresses. Enter new values into fields in the Required Slots column. Let's change that number to 5 slots for the first IP address and 2 website slots for the second IP address. Click the Submit button to submit your request. And that's it. Super easy. Please keep in mind that if you add extra website slots to your IP address, your change will reflect as soon as you pay your invoice. If you remove website slots from your IP addresses, your IP addresses will be updated automatically at the end of your order's billing cycle. We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.